Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're shedding light on the best neon traffic vest pink available in the market. The Kaygo High Visibility Safety Vests KG0100. Let's dive in. The Kaygo KG0100 safety vest is not just your ordinary safety gear. It's a game-changer in the realm of high-visibility apparel. Crafted with precision and designed for optimal functionality, this vest stands out for all the right reasons. First off, let's talk visibility. With its fluorescent yellow color and 2-inch wide reflective tape, this vest ensures 360-degree protection, making you easily visible even in low-light conditions. But visibility is just the beginning. Comfort matters, especially for those long hours on the job. The Kaygo KG0100 boasts 100% polyester mesh fabric, offering lightweight breathability that keeps you cool and comfortable throughout the day. Now, let's talk functionality. This vest is not just a piece of fabric, it's a versatile tool. Equipped with 4 multi-function pockets, including a cell phone pocket with flap, a pen pocket, and 2 lower external pockets with flap, it ensures you have easy access to your essentials on the go. And here's the best part. The Kaygo KG0100 is fully compliant with ANSI, ISEA 107-2015 Type R Class II standards, ensuring that you're not just visible, but also meeting regulatory safety requirements. Whether you're in construction, surveying, or any other high-risk environment, the Kaygo KG0100 is your reliable companion, offering unmatched visibility, comfort, and functionality. That wraps up our review of the Kaygo High Visibility Safety Vests KG0100. Don't forget to check out our website for more detailed reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay safe and stay visible.